How to change a normal video to slow-mo video. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you can use several apps for this, but I prefer CapCut. So simply install CapCut from your Play Store or your App Store. The application is absolutely free. After installing, simply launch your CapCut application. Now go to the edit section, then go to new project. After that, select your normal video and then add it. Now, after that, tap on the clip and then you will see an option speed. Tap on it. You can change it using this time interval thing or just the rate like 2x, 5x or 0.1x smooth slow-mo, and then you can also have an option of curve from where you will be able to change it in a curve section. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.